Now I will introduce how to array the soldering parameters. Move the cursor to 0013 non-record. Press button menu 1. To move the cursor to array, move the cursor, press down up. Move the cursor to array, press enter. You need to select master 2. Press 2. Select master 2. Now you can see the interface of array. Select 2. Press 2. Select vertical. Then press down button. This is column. We have 2 column, 1, 2. So press 2. Then press down to legs. Because this fixture have 4 rows. So input 4. Then press enter. Then press down. Now it's a horizontal location. So we need to move the soldering horn. We need to move the soldering horn to the filer horizontal location of first soldering pad. Like this. Please note the soldering horn must be touched with the soldering pad and in the middle of soldering pad. Then press enter to confirm the first soldering pad of filer horizontal location. Press enter. So can get to the position. Then the next vertical location. Hold the soldering horn to move. To move the soldering horn to the last vertical location of first soldering pad, like this. T-speed can adjust the soldering horn move speed. You can say F fast, S slow, M middle speed. The same, the soldering horn must be touched with soldering pad and in the middle of soldering pad. Then press Enter to confirm the last vertical location of first soldering pad. Press Enter. Press Enter to area core. Select one address. Then press down to next. Address select one. Because you create the file is 1, so address is 1. Press Enter. So the array soldering program is okay. So now we can test again.